Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. When Dee Mwango visited Jamaica, the views rolled in. She filmed our culture, our food, our people, every single thing, and it worked. Her channel blew up. Her name even spread more across YouTube. But what happened after the cameras stopped rolling? When Jamaican small content creators, small YouTubers reached out to her, we weren't met with love, collaboration, or support. She ignored us and instead quoted us thousands of dollars. This isn't hate. This is the truth about what really happened when a big YouTuber used Jamaica to grow and left the Jamaican creators behind. What's worse is that Dee Mwango didn't just use Jamaica for clout. She misrepresented our country. She came here and she packaged our culture for clicks. You queen of clickbait. You walk through our communities, our markets, tasting our fruits, everything, and yet you gave nothing back to us. And by doing that, Dee Mwango, you exploited the beauty of our island. You disrespected us. In other words, you're this way. But you know what Jamaicans did? We watched your videos. We supported your videos. We embraced you because we thought you embraced our culture. But we were naive. And listen, we've now awoken. We've now awoken out of our slumber. And I'm just here wondering if Kina wasn't the one to show you around Jamaica. Just an ordinary person, an ordinary small YouTuber. Dee Mwango, would you have helped his channel to grow? If you come across this video, answer this one here for me. Dee disrespected who we are as Jamaicans. She disrespected the struggle, our history, and yes, even our flag. She came here. She got thousands of views, probably even millions, off our backs. And then she turned against us and charge our local creators thousands just for a masterclass. That's not love. That's not support. That's exploitation hiding behind a smile and the camera. Can you imagine? Jamaica became her gold mine. What a disrespect to our people, our music, our food, and our energy, wrapped up in high-performing vlogs that brought her more global recognition than ever before. But guess what? You look like many Jamaicans afraid to talk about her. But I'm not afraid to talk out loud because I will not be silenced. Dee Mwango used Jamaica for clout. And this is the truth. And this is the reality. And this is something that all Jamaicans should look into. She danced to our rhythms. She ate our food. She filmed our beaches, our beauty. She smiled in our streets, even posed to our people and praised our island. But behind the scenes, local content creators, Jamaicans like myself, I personally reached out to her and we were met with a price tag so high. Let me be clear. This isn't envy. This isn't bitterness. This is about accountability. Reach out to Dee Mwango on growing my small YouTube channel. Not a collab, not a feature. Just a know-how because sure she's in it already and she have the experience. She told me it would cost me thousands, 300 US. Guys, if you know about YouTube and how hard it is to reach monetization, 300 US not hard, not easy if you come by. It not easy if you come by. Me say I was stunned. Here I was, a small Jamaican YouTuber, trying to build something meaningful in my own country. And someone who just visited for a short while, profited off our culture and left, was now asking me for money just so I could get a little help from her to boost my YouTube channel. It didn't sit right with me, and I know I am not alone. Other Jamaican YouTubers were faced with the same price tag. Meanwhile, the Jamaican videos continue to go viral. Millions of views, or if it's not millions, thousands of views, comments. She was praised for bringing attention to Jamaica and for promoting the culture and for bridging Africa and the Caribbean. But how do you bridge something you're not willing to invest in? You can't claim to love a culture if you refuse to support the people behind it. And it made me ask this question. Why is it that the big YouTubers, the ones who already have the platform, are the ones demanding the most, while the ones with smaller followings give the most? Dee Mwango came to Jamaica, gained clout, and disappeared. Let's not pretend that we don't see what's happening, because sometimes we become so naive, caught up in the moment, that we forget the real thing. Big YouTubers are using countries like Jamaica as content farms, taking what they need, boosting their numbers, then vanishing. They say, I love this place. Jamaica. Dee Mwango says she loves Jamaica and she's like a Jamaican. But what has she done? She has refused to help its people. But when the people of that place ask her for help, she responds with 300 US. This is not just unethical, it's exploitive. So this isn't just a rant. It's a call out, and it's a wake up call for all Jamaicans to realize what is happening. If you're a big content creator visiting a country like Jamaica, ask yourself, did I give anything back to the creators here? Did I feature or highlight any local voices? Did I make an effort to connect with the community off camera? Did I offer advice, mentorship, or promotion to anyone who lives the reality I'm just filming? And if the answer is no, maybe it's time to stop calling it love and start calling it what it is: clout chasing. I still believe in collaboration. I still believe in creators supporting each other, but only when it's genuine, not transactional. Dee Mwango, you gained the clout, but you lost the respect of the Jamaican people.